8/3/2012, Friday afternoon, 11:19 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Knight said to hold talks to sell the futures brokerage unit. We know the firm for a lot of years and what they do, and they just had that huge blow up the other day, in their market making division with high frequency trading software. And you can see right here 440 million. And there are, so I just want people to know you don't always get the real story behind the scenes unless you know someone that comes from there. So what I will tell you is that they're up on the chop block. They're going to maintain right now. One of the things that in high frequency is it went the wrong way. And so 440 million. And talks are still going on that they may still fall apart. But you know what? They could have, in high frequency, you can program your sell scripts. So what they didn't have programmed in there, as far as I'm concerned, is their stop market orders. Could have avoided all of the headache. So they went from $1 billion company down to what, like 300 million the other day? Today they're popping, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that it was a high frequency model. It was a machine and that works in the bid and ask. And as and let's make a market with each other right here. And you can see in the bid and ask, if these buy and sell scripts go the wrong way, they say it was a bunch of erroneous trades or whatever. They make a market, So if they're buying thousands of stocks at one time, and that ECN in here with the buy and sell script, it's all done electronically. And, we were one of the first that was ever in the business when electronic trading was introduced to the public. I helped introduce it. Yes, I did. And the day trader, as the investor trader, whatever you'd like to name them, had first come to market, it was much more of a playing field where they could get in and get their buys and their sells and they could make their money. Some of the smarter people, if they had a little bit of risk management behind them, they could keep their losses smaller. Well, today in a high frequency buy and sell tape, the good news is that we can show you how to beat this electronic tape when they want to pile drive it to the upside and or to the downside. And not only that, we have our own expert programs that we have built, and they're all based on mathematical equations that will tell the truth. And there are some mechanical features that go involved in the bid and the ask. It's also tied into the put side of the market at strike prices, along with calls at strike prices as to what happens in here. And that the trader that would like to make a comfortable living, as they, pretty much always have been able to, have been driven out of the marketplace because of this. And I want you to know that we have some content on our new website that addresses it. But you would have to actually come in and be involved in the live buy and sell transaction scripts for this to come clear to you. Once you understand what it's about, then you get your edge back the way you used to have it back in the older day trading days. That community could come here and get healthy in the bid and the ask and get that edge back.